Okay, so me more cover at the bar the TV and I miss cover girl say offer me cover girl. I'm a so na also for more kwata okatechi free fa. The spiritual father akwakwatena angel. Na ninsam kikaye mu ne ntokwa ekoso okatechi free fa ntem ne opambo ntem no. O make example bi am scenario bi wo mo kasa ye mu na kasa ne ka okokeka wo watwe Otwinoko e de na wrema mo Otwinoko eni anje na wo de tie nsam a Otwinoko ekekae
na enipa ene manipa yipie to bi ye bibi na wo has eh ni sabanti se no tie o obi a wo se suban no nti ne mi yi me jata na wo mi mu na pia bonten anwumre owura bi won kra so owo Parliament Chapel your friend Amoako Atta minim the title me pese me title no mpo Amoako Atta oko TV so radio so social media baby a ono nko na eholi Ghana ha a obi anim ono nko na eholi ono nko na yakopon ade afre no ba baby we for the wrong path be few days ni no be send a link erebre me aso for no manyo mo to kwa no mo kuni radio for me enya masem me ni obi ani hwe nti me ehia me ko YouTube kwa me hwe mo for the picture to so Amoako Atta mo for the picture to so very good me da say voice so ho voice na ready a me command ya me kwa na ba good me body me point ba odifo wo say aso for Amoako Atta no on the TV so amohwe no ono offer no so esofo odifo na disciple ana the apostle answer the title the title no mun kame or apostle dey che Yesu echi dini very good ankrofo gu na ase ekwaje mpaebo mun hunu ankrofo e wo Ghana ase sane me nyina na se eba fom e say dru ba bia Ghana fo na kasa no omo akasa de be show munsem kana fo no akasa aboso mudi ahuna ena atuni paso ense mo ka nyina nya no kro enti mo bi ni nyina ye obi ne presenter na nya na asem no mo ka bible say inshanka opatafo sa papa ya ko studio ho e ko patasa abrante ni nyai no mo hwa akoka asem no na metimi ba bi o metimi ba bi oni me minim no me kana sem da me hwe na video da me pese me humpo enti oko station wona okopata no owura studio no asem okaka no yeti hai sei Royal TV me metra nka asem no be madamfo no walk straight into the camera no 8 minutes that is how kwani yen save 8 minutes but man we enya courage owura studio kotena ho uninvited unannounced or bekasa when it says adwuma mo ye na professional nti wo a to as a host a FIFA unye save to be honest with you unye save my adwuma close to 30 years me at some point me co studio a etuo e hye me ho ene na nyina no ma am me ho nipa nye nti ma no to trimi ye a FIFA Angel TV ma ne hye nso because man one friend no oba abepata wo ti enti asema opatafo no baaye no a FIFA ne asofo ko ni we ne ko no ono ba abepata mo fa nto so mo ma ahefo ntie wi ane ato aso di asem ne si wo studio ho mesumi ntie bi me da ase.
Now, once upon a time, there was a guy who was near friend Otwinoko.
Otwinoko, yes.
And then the near friend there. As long as I am your father, spiritual wine, I was saying making sure say, I dear be young crofobia de na we Bible say, and summer I shall say, and say, and you know, let's see a chant of quanos. Now, you can't say any on your friend saying,
or Pambo. So for pennies,
you papa kasa Otwinoko ani afre.
Ono so ntwa.
Me sha da do Otwinoko abetena ha. Na yeti Otwinoko anu mu ase.
Nya no ne hia. Now, once upon a time, there was a guy who was near friend Otwinoko.
Otwinoko, yes.
And then the near friend there. As long as I am your father, spiritual wine, I was saying making sure say, I dear be young crofobia de na we Bible say, and summer I shall say, and say na and you know, let's see a chant of quanos. Now, you can't say any on your friend saying,
Opambo sɔfo penny say
wa mu ye papa ka se otwi no kwa ani afre
ono so ntwa so
me sha da de otwi no kwa betena ha na ye ti otwi no kwa nu mu ase
nya no ne hia
obi a hwe bi obi ahoye metin ba bi o asem o mo ka minim hu bi o ko pata nipa na o studio o de me na koye block o ko hwehwe nipa na say sɔfo bi na ma mani friend RTV enemy true challenge baby a TV no ekobia obi a onim se papa na ka se sofo bi ena ma me kwamna sare mani efra ma me yare ya onka sofo kro o Ghana ha o se ono no ompia bonten mra sofo kro so e bema ompia bonten no mra ya so mo so mamu jimi e wo Ghana ha asofo oni bi mo nyina ko se politicians achi ena mu Ghana ena ye hu ne ho ano party bia wo no sofo ena masa apostle jimi fuo we Amoako Atta enya the gas te be TV so be kasa akwasasem we over my dead body me catch ro won say ase obeka no say na ni afura odadem mo mo TV na no TV it is 24/7 me radio so apart from radio ni TV me waduma me yewo esa aka ho me wo yire me wo ma me wo manananom ba bia maduru manyi me ma omma me kwan say bia me ye me ho fi but panimu so we apostle to radio so TV so o ko pata wa anwene ho Amoako Atta me ka se bia kiro ene pa ho ntoma 224 more cycle Amoako Atta wudi bi baako ono yire e o problem wo wankasa so ko TV station radio station a sika de microphone nyina na rituals na ade wo kro na so o sai o court o join o court wankasa maka nsem say 4 na dia kiro ono yire o problem o ko station sika chama wo no rituals what I say sacrifice baso udibi what I say maka nsem be miensa na say 9 na am dia kiro onye ni papa o group a wo secret society Amoako Atta e wo Ghana ha obo so konka Ghana entra ala why ye ho holy dandao we holy sin obi a saint maka ne ma 4 na e dia kire wo e ba cho wo hwe me Amoako Atta ye unua oye friends wo sofo oye ukunu e oba e oya very good asem obetra won so kan no meso mo yire wo ma wo busuafo omo tiye no so no omo so ye omya eno so ka tua na me di tua no ba unim nyansa wagimi na me nche onyansa ewi ase wo pese hu nyansa foundation miensa foundations of life foundations of wisdom three pillars of wisdom any si wono Solomon ko read friend saying Sons of Solomon o ko abehu sa ne ma beyina uhia nimdie ankasa knowledge ehunumu insight entiase understanding wisdom nyansa sa apostle oni sa nyansa we nyina bi na de me beye no illustration na me beye se unimu a good e adesua ye nyina yesua de me bu free but me kama asem na de asia asem so o se ne ma we me nyansa ne simanim ensuo but hu ni se ensuo 1 2 3 we e wiase nyansa e nyina so me nsa e bo wa obi amu wiase wo ka se mamofo bi no hu se wagini enie we e nokre ni we ehu hia we eye nokre truth we good we essential we ehu hia nokre truth good eye essential or beneficial or benefit ehu hia we enie se obeka obi ho asem a otobo efa de kan se asem a making ana mate a mekokan nokre enu nie tuwene sonye filter sieve udi huhu asem no so udi gu wan wo we asem a mekokan nokre enie baako sonye tosu mi no second filter good asem no nokre so make a canon worth it good se meka na sa crucial moment na se me koka sa asem no good enie na the first asom yi mu na wo de wadwena fa ho ye toso me nsa essential benefits asem na me koka no is it all that essential? Is it going to benefit the person or me? Oh, sani wa we me nsa Amoako Atta se obeka no onim sa nyansa we wo hu sa se obeka no no kure eye sa abre eye na ehu hia na wo hu no it was a car sa se so odi ma circle on the yiri problem or your court or court TV station this come ankrofo a be na rituals also yam show very good say the reality minimum ho asem bia o but enam say bia me pe na nim guase ntino me so metena ase aka me nwene say we no kure asem kan no kure ade atoso mienu good ana ya toso miensa ehu hia na so for no hu say nyansa no so tie tape na be say bobium there was a guy or refer me to as a guy. Who is a guy? Guy. Who refer to me as a guy? Don't refer no kumase. Yes, I know when you fra or shadem. Baby, I'm at studio.
Okay, and now Otwinoko na pour out the grievances. Now me can come inside with also for Amoako. Obe akontopa. It's often say we are the spiritual that now makes me agenda. Go ahead, na general. Na you be farmer no na you know fan sign no. Na ade ani say we Otwinoko na ada yare ani ho, e sign ani ho. Enti so Otwinoko ani efura. What if so Otwinoko na kasa will play with my mind and I say a mind game no mo ya. Enti say the krom has a bibi ntimi ntu obi like bibi ntimi ntu obi. Aje bibia ya dia scenario. Also for Amoako Atta. Otwinoko ade ni example ni de. Wanya ade eno de ukọ dodo me na da. Enti Otwinoko na nani abre na okeka na adwen wo ho na otutu bi ma okatechie se okatechie okra bo wunye safe sa media gudie na aje de oni media gudie no de wo se wani kra bo na wo se oya wo papa aje papa na nka se wo firi soro na se wo firi so ameka no kra na akere wo se e ba kwada ne bo achi bidin se de oka se wa okatechie wunye safe na de nya tell me se wunye safe enti me kra mi si hey pastor me no besiri wo studio me ma wo fie wo ba be pede cause nipa dwumu ye ha what you say enti me aside studio no mo me circle studio ye madam fo no ni me fie na wo na madam fo na me do this studio agudi aye dis information bi wo ho no ma me de be mo enti o katachie susu feel too comfortable as wo de na confident o de bi what you so obi too for say hey o katachie hey we such a confident man patrol. What you know, a hand time, What I say, the Microfoca, into Tobuase, what I say, Tobuase, said the cap on the Tobuase, and Otwinoko, why you Jumana Chayye. I why you Jumana Sanka, into Tobuase, na show when you are came we na show when sense we so what the America show into no what you Susumani no de na ye no yodom ebusa fancy dinner ya miss cover girl. Offer me cover girl my Joe so tap send the so masne na me de compensate 360 Edward so makra.
A very big hello to all our lovely tap send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason tap send is there. And you would know that right now you are not able to use tap send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we tap send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I would say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Tap Tap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Tap Tap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap Tap Send. Papa no no.